भाई और उनकी प्यारी बहनों, सब खैरियत तो है ना। आज मैं आया हूँ आपके पास एक नए वीडियो के साथ, एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है, जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है, कल ही सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने एक नोटिस जारी करके कहा है कि पबजी और भी उसके साथ कुछ चाइनीज़ ऐप्स को बैन कर दिया जाएगा। तो मैं एक 5 गेम्स की लिस्ट लेकर आया हूँ पबजी के अलावा, जिनको आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं और आप पबजी का मज़ा उनमें ले सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और हाँ, मैं बता दूँ, आज का रिव्यू बहुत स्पेशल होने वाला है, क्योंकि आज का पूरा रिव्यू हम इंग्लिश में करने वाले हैं। Activision's Call of Duty Mobile might be little late to the party, but it is currently among the most popular mobile games. The game offers several game modes, including Battle Royale similar to PUBG. If that's too much for you, there's a multiplayer game mode as well. The game offers several paged maps and game modes to choose from. That's really unique and very awesome. The size of Call of Duty is just 1.5 GB to 2 GB for Android. That's really small. But the twist, 200 GB for PC. Oh my god, that's mind boggling, man. That's too big game. But really, this game has very good graphics, a very good gameplay. I just love this game. I have played this game, I think, just for 2 or 3 times, but I am in love with this game. It's way better than PUBG.
Call of Duty Mobile.
So the second spot is conquered by Free Fire or Garena Free Fire. Free Fire is the closest PUBG mobile alternative you can play. The game is available both on Android and iOS platforms. It inherits the battle royale concept and offers engaging gaming experience. The game has relatively smaller map, and each map lasts for around 10 minutes. The size of Free Fire is just 500 MB, and that's a really good thing about this game. The graphics are decent enough, the gameplay is good. Overall, this is really a nice battle royale game. If you are a PUBG fan and you are really heartbroken after its ban, then you must try this game. This will really give you the experience of PUBG. So the third position is secured by Fortnite. But there's a problem. It is available in Android via side loading. Fortnite is one of the best battle royale games out there. However, with the recent ban from Apple and Google, the game can only be downloaded on Android smartphones via Epic Games website. The gameplay of Fortnite goes beyond just survival. In the game, players also are supposed to collect, build, and survive. The size of Fortnite is 7.4 to 8 GB for Android and iOS, obviously. That's the bad part of the game. But the good part, for PC, it's just 56.9 GB. I guess GTA 5 is something 60 or 62 GB. That's really nice. Many of you will be thinking that where's the trailer of Fortnite? But sorry guys, because of some copyright issues, I can't use the trailer over here. And same is the case for the other two games, the upcoming two games, right? Moving on to our fourth position, we have Battleland Royale, available both on Android and iOS. Battleland Royale is not like the regular Battle Royale games, though it features the same last man standing concept, but with a twist. Battleland Royale is casual gun game with 3 players and 3 to 5 minutes battles. The game comes with solo and duo modes where players have to choose a landing spot, loot weapons, and get ready to fight and survive. I guess this is just a 200 MB game, so you must try this at least once. So, guys, we are moving ahead to our last battle royale game, that is Shadowgun War Games, available both for Android as well as iOS. Shadowgun War Games is a free to play tactical shooter FPS game, you all know that. It brings a new 5 vs 5 team based multiplayer battle to the Shadowgun Legends arena. The game allows players to choose from a wide range of heroes based on their gameplay style. That's really unique and really awesome. And each player in the game features unique abilities, personalities, and skill sets. I guess the size of the game is just 1.2 to 1.5 GB, so you guys can go and download that. So, guys, we have come to the end. I hope you like this video and this sort of new type of review. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Please like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay connected, please.